this is gonna be part one of a series. We're gonna be going from these two lawnmowers, and the plan is to fix them up. Neither are running. We're gonna go from these two to a push mower. You know, if you're like me, you know, I spend way too much time on Facebook Marketplace, even though I don't have much money for Facebook Marketplace. So the whole idea is I'm trying to not buy any mower. I got these two for free. Thank you to my beautiful soon-to-be wife. The whole deal is going to be $0. I might, you know, get these running for free and sell one and take that money and maybe buy a part for another one or something with that money. But you know, starting off, this is free. And I guess besides the basic hand tools I have, this is my setup, just basic stuff. I want to try to do this like the most simple way. I've never fixed up an engine or anything like that. You know, I didn't go to school to be a dang lawnmower engineer, and so I'm just a normal dude. I guess step one, you really want to make sure you got a nice pair of New Balances on, maybe broken in, because to get the whole dad vibe going on. I mean, this wheel's locked up, so she is not spinning. I don't have any experience, as I stated. I'm just winging it. All right, had the wrong size set up. Oh, after looking at it further, looks like this is the side I need to be taking at. Well, the whole idea is learn me something on the way, so I guess maybe I could learn you something too. If you want to know how to take apart your small engine muffler, just check out this video. But anyway, now that we're on the right side, looks like this the air filter, which has seen better days for sure. Take that off. Looks like two right there, one right here. 5/16 again. All right, here's the lucky carb. It mixes your air and fuel. What happens is the fuel kind of gunks up. People leave it over winter, and it just stuff in it, just impurities, gunks up the carb, and it blocks that jet, and it won't spray anymore. So this has no gas in it, but if you did have gas in it, you'd want to drain it out of this line, take that little clip off. So since mine is good, we shall proceed. There's a bolt on the bottom side. That little jet thing I was talking about is actually in this bolt. You can see there's like 3 little holes, but we're gonna give that a clean. I've seen people just like shove like a needle or something through this and get it going, but this is what I'm gonna use. You could see a hole through here. You might be able to see the light on the other side, but you could just see right through. Before the video cut off, right where your gas tank plugs in, your gas line plugs into your carb, I spray in there. Make sure stuff's coming out the bottom, some liquid is, and you know, you ain't got to clog that way. So now we're gonna put it back together. Lined up with the air intake thingy. Put some gas in it. Some fresh gas in it. Now I'm gonna call that a success. I'm not sure how this works, but my beautiful baby boy. There he is. Electrician's hammer. Oh yeah. See if I can get a before and after right here. But man, it's a brand new. Not even 48 hours after I fixed it. That's what that mower is. It is now a $100 bill. Thanks for watching.